National Women for Commission Asi Meechang Mikhai nai Haiduna Kuki Women Organization na Maral Sirakhre Republican Party of India Atwalegi National Secretary Mahesor Thongnawjam na taksilaga National Women for Commission na Jiribamda angang ahum amadi nupi ahum punna mioi tarok tamthina hatkibagi matangda wakatkhiba adugi makha chatharakpa oina Commission asigi maikaidagi thodok adugi chapchaba report ama numit tarani gi manungda pikhalao haiba warol yawba cherol ama Manipurgi Chief Secretary Binit Joshi amadi DGP Rajiv Singh da tharakiba adu Kuki Women Organization na National Women for Commission Asi Meechang Mikhai nai Haiduna Maral Sirakhre Kuki Women Organization na makha taraduna haikibada makoina complaint tawbadana react tawdraga jiri gi mioi taruk sibadana NCW na react tawi haina Maral Sirakhre.
Welcome to Millennium School, a paradise for children where excellence meets opportunity, a place where no child is left out and the pride is in its inclusivity. Our curriculum balances academics with co-curricular activities, nurturing its and every talents to face the future with passion and ease. I am Millennium, the school of this era, guiding minds through the challenges of today and tomorrow. Admission is going on at both the campuses, Sagolban Salam Lekai and Patsoi Part 4. Join us and feel the difference at Millennium School.